10, 11, 12. All right, so that is the picado that we're working on, this triplet picado within the Escobilla form of Alegrías. So we've done a lot of work. You already understand the form very well. And now we're adding this triplet picado. So we're going to do here, hopefully you have the music right in front of you. I played that intro, by the way, at 144. I'm going to bring this down so we can play that slower. Let's go at 100. But we'll talk about this first. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go, we start on beat 1 of the second compás. We're going to go 5, 4, 2, triplets. So we're going to go 3 times. So 1, beat 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to start on the G sharp, 4, 2, 0. That's beat 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6. And then now we're going to start on the F sharp. Just play those 2 notes. Now you're going to go to the second string and play the D sharp, the C sharp, and then back up to the high E, and then we're going to do our close. And that part is thumb, index, thumb, index, thumb. Okay? So now I'll play this slower. 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That makes sense. Hopefully it made sense. I'm going to play it even slower. 80 beats per minute. I'd rather have you play it slow and well than fast and incorrect, okay? All right, here we go. 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. As I've stressed before, make sure that you can go back and continue the compás, that you don't just end right there. Oh, I'm done, that's it. It's probably not it. You got to put this in the context of what you will be doing. Make sure that you can continue with the compás straight away, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you understand those subdivisions, and then you go back to eighth notes at the end. That's a different subdivision. Triplet, 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 eighth note, and then the quarter note, okay? So make sure you write that down in the music that I provided you, okay? Good deal. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope you're enjoying the work. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.